Are you looking for the best combination square? In this video we will look at some of the best combination square on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Irwin Tools Combination Square. The Irwin Combination Square has a built-in bubble level for when you need to check your level at a glance. It's got a rust-proof blade with precision-etched graduations that are also painted black to make them easy to read, so you can always get your measurements quickly. This square's head is made from cast zinc. It slides smoothly, but if you take it off completely, it's a bit of a pain to get back on. Still, this was the square that represented the best overall combination of price, value, and performance, which is why it tops our list. So we knew that combination square was going to be one of our favorites. This one has all the features we're looking for in a durable package that's priced reasonably for us, that covers all the bases. Pros: built-in level. The etched markings are easy to read. The blade is rust-proof. Cons: can be a pain to get the head back on. Number 2. Swanson Tool COTC 132 12-inch Combo Square. This combination square from Swanson Tool is more than just an affordable but basic square. It's also got an impact-resistant level bubble in the head with a built-in brass scriber for making marks when your pencil is nowhere to be found. The head on this tool is made from die-cast zinc, ensuring it's tough enough for the workplace. It's got a spring-loaded bolt to keep the blade in place so the angle doesn't change and it remains accurate. That would be great if it came perfectly square from the factory. It didn't, but it wasn't too far off, so we were able to fix it pretty easily. Even once we got it perfectly square, we had another issue with the head. If you tighten it down to close to the end, you'll get a lot of wobble in the ruler. We weren't able to find a fix for this. The markings are also pretty difficult to read, but this is still one of the most durable and best functioning combination squares we tested, especially when you consider the reasonable price. Pros: includes a built-in scriber, impact-resistant level. The head is made from die-cast zinc, priced reasonably. Cons: the markings are very difficult to see. Isn't quite square from the factory. Number 3. Starrett 11H64R Combination Square. When it comes to high-quality combination square, Starrett is never too far from the conversation. This is a square that lives up to that reputation, and the 6-inch size makes it rank very highly in portability to easily take it with you from one site to another or simply carry it around. It feels extremely solid in your hand, and that's because of the materials that it is made from. The cast iron head together with the hardened steel blade helps you to get those accurate measurements time and time again. You want to have that high level of confidence when you're using a tool, and this gives you that. It is also a combination square which ranks highly in aesthetics too, which is not something that you can say about most of these products. The black wrinkle finish looks great and helps to give the combination square a good amount of style. While that isn't exactly a vital feature, everyone wants their things to look good. Durability isn't the only aspect that Starrett is famous for. The tools they produce are also highly accurate. This combination square stays accurate too, with the lock bolt that it has, which tightens easily to give you a secure fit without any awkward movement. The scriber is also heavy-duty and easily slots in and out of the handle without coming loose. There are very few downsides with this combination square, but if you were being picky, the measurements can sometimes be a little difficult to read if you're getting glare from the sun. What we liked: cast iron head, black wrinkle finish, reversible lock bolt, heavy-duty scriber, accurate spirit level, squared blade, easy to head, made from hardened steel, engraved lines. What we didn't like: can be hard to read. The finish can cause glare. Number 4. Swanson Tool COS 0101 CB Speed Square. Sturdy combination squares with rulers that don't bend under pressure can serve for many years. This set of Speed Square by Swanson Tool contains a thick metal combination square. As a pro-grade layout tool, it's a reliable tool for rafters, woodwork and carpentry enthusiasts. With the pouch, You can transport this set of tools without using a toolbox. Another fascinating feature is the pocket-friendly Swanson Blue Book that allows you to measure accurate lengths of rafter during roof constructions. The quality of this square is superior to the rulers of regular combination squares. While Swanson Tools combination square is made from stainless steel, the frame of its speed square is lightweight aluminium. Also, you can measure the radius of lumber edges like a pro. Pros. These tools are made from heavy gauge metal. The kit contains accessories like built-in line scriber, level, protractor, saw guide, miter, square, and affordable. Cons. The stainless steel combination square is not scratch-proof, and might not be resistant to rough workspaces. Number 5. Starrett 56366 C11H12 4R Starrett Combo Square. The Starrett C11H12 4R combination square is a heavy yet exceptionally durable combination tool. The total weight of the combination square is 1.22 pounds. Making it one of the heaviest available. The weight of the tool is an asset when making sure you want to be as accurate as possible. The weight means a breeze won't move it off the line or measurement you are working on. The square head is machined from a single piece of metal, which makes the product long-lasting and exceptionally durable. I have no fear that this tool won't outlast me. The Starrett does require upkeep, but this is expected of a quality tool. Make sure it is left clean and well lubricated so that every time you get it out, you are guaranteed the same results as when you first bought it. The C11 boasts a satin chrome finish on the blade. This finish lessens the friction in the component parts and makes the tool smooth to use, as well as making the measurements easy to read. It also makes the finish look exceptional. If I didn't use it, I would frame it to look at. The satin finish means that the metrics will not fade over time as the friction is lessened between the components. The metrics are also engraved etchings, so this extends the Starrett's lifetime even further. It really is a quality tool with a stunning finish. Things we liked: exceptional build quality, a durable and a long-lasting product. Satin finish on the blade helps with reading and component movements. American-made, expertly engineered components. Things we didn't like: requires maintenance when not in use. The Starrett is a heavy tool. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.